I'm Nancy Laffey from Completely Quilted, and thank you for joining me for our tutorial this month for our block of the month, which is from the booklet Amish with a Twist 2 from designer Nancy Rink. So this month we are on month 5 and we're making 2 blocks, block number 8 and number 9. So we are going to draw a lot from the techniques that we already learned in the previous month. And we are going to keep refining our skills and maybe learn a few things new. The first block that you're going to make in month 5 is block number 8. And this is the double X block. This block is using the exact same techniques that you used last month to create your blocks 7A and 7B. So this one here and this one here you've already made and learned all the techniques for. The difference in this block is that you're using different fabrics and you're putting these blocks together. Once you've started to learn how to quilt, you can make blocks and there'll be a lot of the same techniques, but there's so many different ways that you can put them together. So this is a 4-patch block, so you make 4 blocks to be sewn together to finish this project. For block 9, which is the Bear Paw block, it has several elements. So let's start with this element here. So to create this block, you will be making half square triangles and squaring them up. And so when you go to sew your half square triangles together, start by sewing these in a pair. So I've sewn my pairs together and I went ahead and I sewed the green square on the corner here of this Bear Paw block. So this other pair is going to get sewn right sides together with the square. And these are the same size and you're just going to sew 1/4 of an inch seam. Make sure that you're pressing these the way the arrows are showing you to press in the pattern. Now that I've sewn that solid square on, I'm ready to sew the top row to create the bear paw. And those should nest nicely because you pressed the way the arrows told you to go. To complete your bear paw block, after you have your paws made, to sew this block together, it is sewn with these little sashings in between. So your top row is going to have a sashing strip in between these 2 blocks. You'll have your middle row and then your bottom row. And when you sew these rows, you will always press them going towards the sashing strips. Thank you for watching our demonstration for your month 5 for the Amish with a Twist. You should have this really super cute bear paw block with the little sashings in between and your other block here.